Hello and welcome to Leena Parwani's show. So this is the season 2. We have already finished 13 episodes. So this is the season 2. I'm continuing to bring for you some great information about insurance, whether it's a life insurance or critical illness or your health insurance. So today we are talking about, have you ever been rated in your life insurance policy? 200%, 250 or 300%? What did you do? Did you simply say, no, this is too much of premium and I don't want to go for it? So, know the facts in today's episode, what you should be doing it if your policy has ever been rated. So, your policy is rated 250%. Let me tell you something. It has to do something straight away with your health. Health is the first reason why your policy gets rated. You probably have not so good health result, which you may be actually working on to it. You may have a sugar, you may have blood pressure, or maybe your medical results are not so good for insurance company to take a risk on your life. That is the reason why insurance companies actually raise the premium up. It could be some other reason. You could be traveling to the countries which is high risk. Of course, that's another reason. The last reason which I usually see is a financial reason why insurance companies see that financially you are not somewhere taking higher risk in your business. That could be another reason. But most of the reason which I see, 80% is a reason connected to with the health reports of yours, right? So what do we do in that scenario? Do we simply say no to that policy? No, I don't need it because this doesn't fit into my budget. I would say in that thing, guys, accept the thing. Yes, this is what it is. And that's the opportunity which you have it right now to grab it. At least you are accepted by insurance company. What is the worst scenario? I would see 3 things before I straight away say no to insurance company that I don't need this cover right now, or I'll think about it coming later on, because you may be hearing from different people, different opinion, but here my objective is to empower you so you take your own decision right way. Check the number 1 thing, the worst scenario. What could happen? If you are not taking a policy at all, what could happen? Worst thing to you. Will you simply gonna save your premium and you are sitting nicely, you have enough amount of wealth, you don't need this thing, or you think, okay, I'm paying more premium, but because my life is also in a high risk, my family is going to get this much amount of money, my business is going to get this much amount of capital. So you need to see the worst scenario. Which is the worst scenario looking better to you? Choose yourself. Is the worst premium or is the benefits coming from that? Number 2 thing, which I will also see before I say no to it. What can I do a year later? If I'm thinking that my health will be good a year later, let me buy some time out. Then I would still tell you, buy the policy right now. Go for it right now. You have a choice to get policy division done after a year. Imagine if your health is now much better, your sugar is gone down now, your reports looks better. You can always come back to insurance company a year later saying that, look, these are my results now, I want my premium to be revised. I have personally done certain cases where premium got revised and got down by 50%. You can always look into that rather than saying, okay, I will go into it once my health condition is good. So you're keeping yourself totally into a big risk, open for risk. I would say let's just cover the risk at the moment and see a year later to revise the premium. Or you can also bring down your cover now and go a bigger cover a year later when your health conditions are good. Number 3, if I already have a good size of insurance available to me, I already feel that I'm covered enough and this was only my top-up policy, so probably I can say no and walk out. Make sense? If you like the content, please don't miss to subscribe this channel for continuation of such information to empower you.